tuning in to my channel today. I do appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button so you will not miss another video. Today I want to share a couple of things with you. One, I purchased some beautiful ink pens as a thank you gift to my customers. It's so important to me to show good customer service. Giving a gift or a sample into your customer order, says a lot. It says, for me, I am saying thank you. I appreciate. Thank you for buying from me. I ordered new containers for my extra strength nettle hair growth oil. The reason I ordered a new bottle is because my old bottle, I had to put the white electrical tape around the tip and around the cap to keep it from spilling out. I love this container. It's still 4 ounces, but it is slim, and I really like the way it is made. This is the sealing cap that's inside. It's silver, and you would need to remove that in order to get your oil out. I like the pointed tip. Makes it easy to apply oil onto your scalp, even if you have a protective hairstyle. And then I like the cap, the way it's made. You put it on and it has a little covering that covers the tip that keeps it from leaking out and spilling out on you. This is my extra strength nettle hair growth oil. I remove the cap and you see the pointy tip. It is so easy to apply the oil to your scalp, even if you have a protective hairstyle. Now I'm going to show you, it drips out fairly easy. There. And I'm not going to waste it. So what I am going to do is show you a small clip of how I apply my, money rings. So I am going to show you a small clip how I apply my oil on my scalp using my new product package. So now I'm here in the bathroom and I am going to show you how I use my new product packaging for my hair growth oil. I love the tip, as I explained earlier. It's so easy that if you have a protective hairstyle, it's so easy to take the pointed tip and put through your protective style, braids, twists, whatever your protective style is. You can actually get to your scalp very easy. So I'm going to show you how I am going to apply the oil to my scalp. I did a henna treatment last night. Henna treatment, deep condition. I sprayed my scalp tonic on my scalp, and I use my retained butter on the length of my hair and on my ends. So my hair is nice and moisturized, but I want to oil my scalp. And I am so pleased with my hair. I'm going to remove this comb and show you how I apply the oil. It is so easy to come out, and I'll show you here. And if you can see that, see how it just drips out? Very easy. The oil is really light, so you don't need a whole lot. And I just massage it onto my scalp. And then I just take it without, parting my scalp. You can do that. As a matter of fact, I'll show you how sometimes I actually part and oil my scalp. So I make a part, take my oil, and it's so easy, and just drop a few drops and massage. And I can continue to apply it on my scalp. See how easy it comes out? I hope you can see that coming out like that. Very easy. Apart again, and I drop a couple of drops, and then I massage it through my head. And so now I'm going to just continue to just squeeze and put it on my scalp. And now the other side, same thing. I'm just going to squeeze it down. It's so easy, and you can feel the oil going onto your scalp. And then just massage the oil into your scalp very well. Make sure you get under the back side, around the nape. And especially I focus on my top to keep it growing. This oil feels so good on my scalp. You can feel the tingle of the essential oils. There. So I have applied my easy drip application. I have applied my oil onto my scalp. It's so easy. I didn't, use a whole lot at all. You only need a little bit. This is a great new application bottle, and I absolutely love it versus the other one that I had to secure it with electrical tape. So I like this one better. The cap fits back on, and you don't have to worry about any leaks or spills. Okay, here's another way I like to show my appreciations to my customers for shopping with me. I purchased some of these beautiful pens as a thank you gift. They come in different colors, and I like the way they're made. They have this beautiful diamond head on top, and they're packaged very well into these little clear packets, and they come in different styles. So I hope you can see this. This is like a, I don't know, it looks like a peach, and this is black and white, and here is a red and white, as well as a pink one, blue and white. They're very pretty, and I like them. I ordered some pen velvet sleeves so that I can pack the pen inside. So this is another way of showing my appreciation to my customers that order from my shop. So now I have 5 orders to pack, and I am going to pack 1 box just to show you how I like to package the box to show my customers how much I appreciate them. And I want you surprised and happy, and I want you to feel like you're getting a Christmas gift. So I'm going to pack 1 customer order, and this will complete this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and again, if you are suffering any hair loss, any scalp issues, please check out my Etsy shop. I have linked the description down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.